In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete thousands of emails from Yahoo. If your inbox has grown out of control, this walkthrough will show you a fast, safe way to select huge batches of messages and clear space without clicking one by one. Start by opening Yahoo Mail and going to the folder you want to clean, like your inbox or another folder you've created. At the very top of your message list, you'll see a small square checkbox. It sits above the emails in the same row as the toolbar. That little box is your master selector. It's designed to help you grab large groups of emails at once. Click that checkbox. When you do, Yahoo will select the messages in your list, and you should see the emails highlight right away. After the selection happens, look for a notice or counter near the top of the page. Yahoo will show you how many messages are selected and ready to be deleted. This is an important confirmation step because it tells you exactly how big the change will be. If the number looks higher or lower than you expected, simply click the checkbox again to clear the selection and then adjust your approach before trying once more. To fine-tune what you're selecting, open the small drop-down next to that checkbox. Yahoo gives you helpful options there. You can select everything or narrow it down to just read messages, unread messages, starred items, or unstarred items. This is great for quickly targeting what you don't need. For example, choosing unread can help you sweep out old newsletters you never opened, while keeping starred items unselected protects messages you've marked as important. If you're trying to keep only the essentials, selecting read messages can be a smart way to remove older, already seen mail while leaving new items alone. Once the right group is highlighted and the counter matches your plan, you're set to remove a huge batch in one go using your usual delete action. Before you proceed, take a second to scan the selection and make sure nothing critical is included, especially if you rely on the starred indicator for important threads. A quick review now can save you from digging later. One final tip: in most cases, deleted messages move to trash for a limited time, which offers a short safety net if you change your mind. That said, it's always best to be confident about your selection before you clear it. And that's it. Use the master checkbox, confirm the total, refine with the drop down if needed, and you'll clean up thousands of emails in just a few clicks.